everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on some shutdown prep again, which was mounting the boxes for the shutdown. But later they canceled the shutdown because the breaker that shuts down this panel also shuts off another panel. So that was canceled. But anyways, we got the box mounted above the panel for pulling some circuits out, and another box that is temporarily set over here to pull some more circuits out, which will be changed into some low voltage panels eventually. But for now, went ahead and got that mounted, which will have to be taken off later to drill the hole for the hole that goes into the panel. But anyways, I got the hole marked out on the left side, and then that's basically where we stopped it. And it did not get any holes mounted or marked out on the top side, but we did get the pipes cut for that, going out of the top with 2 1-inchers, and those are like 10.5 inches long. But anyways, from that, went ahead and worked on pulling the strings in, like you saw when the video started. Pulled in those strings, which took a long time, and then there's some more cross pipes that we are in the middle of fixing, and then we'll pull in the other string for that. And then at the beginning of the day, worked on a little bit of fire alarm right here, testing out some of the wires that we pulled in, make sure there was no ground fault, short circuits, or anything like that, and the resistance was there on the resistor that we had on it. Anyways, the fire alarm guy came in and installed this new fire alarm card, I believe, and that pretty much wraps up my day. So that's what happened in my day. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Peace.